Well, back now to the Weather Watch, and let's take a live look outside at Grant Park tonight. Hazy conditions. We've been dealing with that fog and clouds pretty much all day.
Mary Kay's here with a check of the spring-like temperatures that are on the way the next few days.
Right, mid-30s today, mid-40s tomorrow, then mid-50s on Thursday, before it snows. Yes, well, our weather watchers have found temperatures to top out at 35 at O'Hare, but when we look at some other neighborhoods, it seems that temperatures really were hovering close to the freezing mark in many places. But in Harvard, Gilbert did go up to 34 degrees, 36 in Gurnee from Rich, Valparaiso 31 from Raymond, and in Porter, Greg had 38 degrees. And right now, temperatures are still holding close to the freezing mark for Laura in Tinley Park. She has cloudy skies, though, and she says it's dreary. Yes, visibility is down. That's because we do expect fog to continue to roll in tonight, dropping the visibility, maybe giving us some slick spots on the roads. But it's mild at this late hour in the day, 33 degrees. Look at Minneapolis, up to 40 now, 34 in Green Bay. We have a front draped over us, and those winds out of the south and southeast are pulling the milder air up and over that front, creating a lot of the fog that's around. Well, low pressure here over the California coast, still causing big problems there. You can see the counterclockwise spin of rotation right near Southern California. Those mudslides still an issue tonight. Close to home, we have clouds moving in first and eventually rain. You're going to need the umbrella the next couple of days. Winter weather advisories are up from Minneapolis to Rapid City. Not for us. We're staying on the mild side of this system for the next 2 days. So 32 will be our low tonight. Temperatures really don't drop off a whole lot, but drizzle moves in. So you may need the umbrella at times tomorrow, but look at that high, 48 degrees. Winds pick up out of the south. So we're on the mild side of this system Wednesday night into Thursday. And as we look at Futurecast Thursday, rain increasing. This is 4:30 in the afternoon. At night, we see the transition to perhaps some sleet moving in. And then we have to reach for Friday night for snow chances. It looks like the heaviest swath of snow into Saturday right now. Bring it from Detroit into central Indiana, but we'll keep watching that closely. So 2 mild days, temperatures crash Thursday night, and snow is what we're watching for Friday into Saturday. And oh yes, the teens by Sunday.
Oh, those, they're back.
A little bit of everything.
Mary Kay Kleist is here now with a look at all of this going on in our forecast.
Right, rising temperatures, so there's 2 days where it feels like spring, and then it's back to the Arctic chill, and some of us may be shoveling. Our weather watchers tonight are finding temperatures that are generally on the mild side because our normal daytime high is 31 degrees, and that's exactly where we're standing. From Alice in DeMont, her clouds have moved in, so she has cloudy skies there, and we currently have 29 degrees coming in from Douglas from Lake in the Hills. And what we're going to see tonight is fog. We see low visibility in places like DeKalb, where it's down to a mile, 2 mile visibility in Waukegan. Some bridges and overpasses could be a little slick toward morning. We have 29 degrees, but for this late hour, it's relatively mild. 37 in Minneapolis, 34 in Des Moines, but when you step outside, it feels kind of damp and chilly for you because of that low level moisture moving in over the colder surface area. That's why we do have the fog. Now we're watching 2 systems. One's going to bring us the cold air eventually and mix with this moisture system that's building over California. We've seen all the video from it. We have those flooding rains continuing there along Southern California, San Diego area, creating rainfall rates of about a ½ inch per hour. And now that rain is spreading inland. So all that moisture is going to move and meet the cold air. That's why we have winter weather advisories up west of us. A dense fog advisory is issued downstate, but we are going to stay on the mild side of this system for Wednesday into Thursday. And then the cold front will pass, and we see it on Futurecast. 8 o'clock in the morning Thursday, you still need the umbrella. It's relatively mild. Then Thursday night, a transition to some sleet and then snow on the backside, but long-range models do hint that most of the heavy precipitation will be just east of Chicago in this purple swath. So maybe from Detroit, and then as you head into central Indiana, light snow expected in Chicago if it stays on this track. So this system's still a couple of days away, Rob and Erica, so we have to watch for that snow chance Friday night into Saturday. But look at these temperatures. We go from 55 Thursday to 16 on Sunday.
We like the 55.
I know.